Are you ready to discover the next big game changer in the business world? Well, hold on tight because we're about to introduce you to ThreadApp, a revolutionary platform that's taking the digital landscape by storm. We all know about the powerhouse trio of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp with their billions of users. But now, a new player has entered the scene, ThreadApp. Before moving forward, let's explain what is Thread. Imagine a platform where conversations flow freely, in real time, without the toxic atmosphere that plagues many social media platforms today. Welcome to Threads, a refreshing alternative to the likes of Twitter. In stark contrast to its criticized counterpart, Threads was designed with a friendly environment in mind. It aspires to create an open space where people can engage in genuine, meaningful discussions. However, only time will tell if this vision becomes a reality. ThreadApp is like no other. It's a dynamic platform that allows you to upload videos, images, and text, offering a similar experience to Twitter. But here's the exciting part. It's a completely fresh platform with endless opportunities. Imagine turning your passion into profit. With ThreadApp, you can earn money in not one, not two, but three fundamental and incredible ways. First, there's affiliate marketing. Seamlessly integrate your favorite products into your content and earn commissions with every purchase made through your affiliate links. Next up, we have promotional videos. Showcase your creativity, collaborate with brands, and get paid for creating compelling promotional content that captivates your audience. Last but not least, you can harness the power of referrals. Share your unique referral links and earn rewards when new users join the platform through your recommendations. Getting started is a breeze. Simply head over to the Play Store, download the Thread app, and embark on your journey to success. But here's the real game changer. As a new user on ThreadApp, you have an incredible opportunity to go viral. With no saturation in sight, the sky's the limit when it comes to growing your following and earning a significant income. Speaking of game changers, get ready for the ultimate showdown between Mark Zuckerberg and Elon Musk. Mark Zuckerberg, representing Meta, utilizes the power of existing Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram users to create a whole new platform. Meanwhile, Elon Musk brings his Twitter expertise into the mix. ThreadApp works just like Twitter, allowing you to read, post, and engage with the vibrant community. Plus, you can secure your unique username to establish your brand identity and avoid any confusion. Remember, the more followers you have, the more money you can earn. So, don't miss out on this golden opportunity to skyrocket your earnings. Join ThreadApp today and start growing your follower count like never before. ThreadApp is here to revolutionize the way we connect, engage, and earn in the digital landscape. Don't be left behind. Be a part of the future of social media with ThreadApp, how ThreadApp is a game changer in business. ThreadApp has the potential to be a game changer in the business landscape due to several reasons. One, new advertising platform. As Thread gains popularity and attracts a substantial user base from Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, it will become an attractive platform for businesses to advertise their products and services. This presents a new avenue for businesses to reach a wide audience and potentially increase their customer base. 2. Viral marketing opportunities. The newness of Thread creates an environment where content can easily go viral. This means that businesses, especially small and independent ones, have a chance to gain significant exposure and brand recognition without the saturation that established platforms may have. By leveraging engaging content and clever marketing strategies, businesses can quickly increase their visibility and reach. 3. Monetization options. While Thread currently lacks monetization features, it is likely that in the future, the app will introduce ways for users to earn money. This presents an opportunity for businesses to explore various monetization models, such as sponsored content, influencer partnerships, and affiliate marketing to generate revenue through the app. 4. Direct interaction with customers. Thread's similarity to Twitter provides businesses with a platform for direct interaction with their customers. By actively participating in conversations, responding to inquiries, and addressing customer feedback, businesses can build strong relationships with their target audience, foster brand loyalty, and gain valuable insights into consumer preferences. 5. Enhanced brand visibility. As businesses create accounts on Thread and increase their follower base, they can enhance their brand visibility and establish themselves as thought leaders or experts in their respective industries. By consistently posting relevant and engaging content, businesses can build a loyal following and position themselves as authoritative voices, which can ultimately lead to increased credibility and potential business opportunities. 6. Collaboration and partnerships. Thread's growing user base creates opportunities for businesses to collaborate and form partnerships with like-minded individuals or complementary brands. By joining forces, businesses can pool their resources, expand their reach, and tap into new markets, ultimately driving mutual growth and success. 7. Diversification of social media presence. Thread app provides businesses with an opportunity to diversify their social media presence. By establishing a presence on Thread alongside other popular platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, businesses can ensure they have a comprehensive and well-rounded online presence. This diversification can help them reach different demographics and engage with audiences who may prefer Thread as their primary social media platform. 8. Early adopter advantage. Being an early adopter of Thread app can give businesses a competitive advantage. As the platform gains traction and more users join, businesses that have already established themselves on Thread will have a head start in building their follower base, engaging with their audience, and establishing their brand. By leveraging this early adopter advantage, businesses can position themselves as industry leaders and stay ahead of their competitors. 9. Data insights and targeted marketing. As Thread app matures and introduces monetization features, businesses can benefit from the data insights provided by the platform. Thread's user analytics can provide valuable information about user demographics, preferences, and behavior patterns. This data can help businesses refine their target audience, tailor their marketing strategies, and deliver more personalized and targeted content to maximize their effectiveness. 10. Niche marketing opportunities. Thread's unique position as a new and growing platform opens up niche marketing opportunities for businesses. As users join Thread to explore its offerings, they may be more open to discovering new brands and niche products or services. This presents businesses operating in specific niches with a chance to establish themselves as industry authorities and cater to a highly engaged and receptive audience. Ready to embark on your journey to success? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tips, tricks, and exciting news about Thread app. In conclusion, Thread app's potential as a game changer in business lies in its new advertising platform, viral marketing opportunities, monetization options, direct customer interaction, brand visibility, collaboration potential, diversification of social media presence, early adopter advantage, data insights, niche marketing opportunities, enhanced customer insights and feedback, and competitive differentiation. By strategically leveraging these benefits, businesses can unlock new avenues for growth, customer engagement, and success in the evolving social media landscape.